Yo, what's up, everybody? Glenn with Gotta Have Reviews, and today I'm reviewing my desktop that I got from Amazon. It's an HP Elite 800 G as in golf, decimal number 1 desktop computer package. Check it out. It comes with 2 screens. It comes with your desktop, the modem, or whatever your computer, and then it came with a wired keyboard and a mouse. I've since upgraded to a wireless mouse and keyboard, but nonetheless, the price was right, more than right, and it did come refurbished. But I just needed a desktop, to run my business from home, and so it comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM. It has a 3.3 gigahertz core, Intel quad core, 240 gigabytes. SSD card, 2 terabytes HDD. The Windows 10 Pro came with it. Two dual 19-inch monitors that we're looking at right now. So check this out. You can move from side to side, work with 2 different screens. That's what I wanted. You know what I'm saying? So if you're in the market for a computer, this is the one. At least this was what I needed, and so. Great opportunity to come up on a really good computer with 2 screens, a keyboard, and a mouse ready to get going. Start your side business, your side hustle, or run your business from home. So definitely recommend, good review on my part.